Welcome back. Now, when the annual Penn Relays gets underway on Thursday at the Franklin Field Stadium in the USA, the University of Technology will make a return after a one-year absence. On Friday, the athletes were hosted by the university at a media briefing and send-off reception. President of the university, Dr. Kevin Brown, has high expectations of the athletes for this year's staging of the Relay Carnival.
Well, Utech has always had a strong performance at Penn Relays over the years. Our athletes have been outstanding, and we're rated as one of the top 20 universities at Penn Relays. So we're looking forward to another strong performance at Penn Relays 2026. We believe that we have athletes that will do well at Penn's, and we're looking forward to the competition.
Co-captain of the team, sprinter Crystal Slowly, says after their runner-up position at the recent Intercollegiate Championships, the Utech Knights are ready for battle at Penn.
Yes, for sure, because seeing that we had a couple track meets prior to the Penn Relays and even Intercol that just happened yesterday, I think the performance were outstanding, to say the least. I think we performed very well, producing season best and personal best. So it was a successful Intercol, and I feel like that will fuel us into the Penn Relays Championships.
Slowly, who has a personal best of 10.99 seconds for the 100 meters back in 2024, says she has a special goal in mind heading to the event.
Oh yes, I think I'm hopefully going back for revenge, because the last time I competed, and the first time as well, was 2024, and I came second in that, and I was not pleased, so I'm going back for the win.
The athletes were also presented with their gear by Pro-Chancellor of the University, Ali McNabb. The Penn Relays is set to run off on April 23 and will end on the 25th.